the volume would just be length times width times height, LWH. And then the area of the 6 sides, that would be, well, you've got a top and a bottom. You know, this bottom and the top are the same. So you got 2 of those, that would be LW. That's top and bottom. Now let's do front and back. Front and back is going to be HL. Got 2 of those, 2 H times L. And then we got 2 ends, and that's going to be 2 ENDS ends. And that's going to be HW. And we're trying to find the ratio of V over A. So volume is LWH, and then 2LW plus 2HL plus 2HW. And if you look at clue 1, it says at least 2 LWH are equal to 5. Well, I can go through the rigmarole of letting L and W both be 5, but I'm not going to be able to come up with a number. I'm letting L and W both be 5. So that's going to be a 2 times 5 times 5. L and W are both 5. 2H5 plus 2HW. And I'm letting L and W both be 5. That's going to be a 5. But see, I've still got that H in there. I wouldn't do this on the test. That's going to be 25 times 2 is 50. Plus 10H plus, have I done that right? 2LW, yeah, 2 and 5 divided by 25 and 2 is 50. And then 10H. But see, we still have that H, and I can combine these, but that's just not doing me any good. So clue 1 doesn't work. And clue 2, LWH all have the same value. LWH all have the same value. Okay, so let's say they're all equal to L. Let's substitute in L for everything, because they're saying L equals W equals H. So that would be L cubed in the top, and then we'd have 2 L squared plus 2L squared plus 2HW. Is that what that is? 2HW? I can't read my writing. So that's going to be 2L squared. So that's L cubed over, that's 6L squared. But the problem is you still have an L on the top, so I don't have a value for it. So that doesn't work either. But if you look at put both of them together, that's going to work. Because clue 2 says LWH all have the same value. Clue 1 says at least 2 of the LWHs are 5. And so putting both together, we know all values are 5. You can plug all values are 5 in here, and you'll crank out a number. So your answer is C.